In this presentation, you will learn how to solve the direct marketing sum. This is a sum that comes in the board exam of the TYBAMMC paper. Firstly, let us understand the different types of income and the expenses. So under income, we have sales because we earn through sales. There's revenue, service fees, and referrals. Under expenses, any direct cost or indirect cost that we incur, any direct or indirect expenses that we have, any discounts that we have given, any bad debts that we faced, direct mailers, which was a means to earn customers. So we had to spend on direct mailers and we have to spend on telemarketing. So those are our expenses. Now let us look at the sum. Calculate the lifetime value or LTV of the given in the following data. We are given the particulars, which are sales, referrals, telemarketing, bad debts. We are given the acquisition year, that means the first year, then year 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the details. All the figures in the table are in rupees and discount rate is 10%. Now, the first thing that we do is we will divide these particulars according to what we need. So let's look at the solution. So we need our income and our expenditure. Okay, so you will see that whatever we have earned, we earned nothing in the acquisition year. However, we spent 2000. In year 1, we earned 6500. Our expenditure was 4000. So once we calculate our total income and our total expenditure, how do we get our total income and expenditure? We calculate those categories in the particular, we add them together and we put them in the respective year. In the same way, we calculate our expenditures from the particulars and place them in the particular year. When we minus the total expenditure from the total income, we get the net contribution, which is why you will see in the acquisition year we have minus 2000 because we had no income but we had an expense. In year 1, 6500 minus 4000 gives us 2500. 12,000 minus 4,500 gives us 7,500. 17,000 minus 5,500 gives us 11,500. 28,000 minus 5,500 gives us 22,500. I recommend that you solve it on a piece of paper so that you understand the sum better. Our formula, very important, formula of LTV. Okay, you need to remember this formula for the exam. LTV equals to sigma into net contribution upon 1 plus discount rate raised to the power of the year. So the full form CI equals to net contribution from each year's marketing activities. Now we have calculated the net contribution where we minused the expenses from the income. So that's how we get our CI. D is the discount rate. I is the expected duration of the relationship. So every year, the number raised to the power of changes to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. D is the discount as 10% given in the question already. So how do we calculate that? 10% means 10 upon 100, which gives us our 0.1. You will see it in our sums where we used to calculate. So let's look at an example. I hope you're solving along so that it will become easier. We got our details. We created our table with our expenditure, income, and net contribution. So now we start PVCO, which is the year of acquisition, equals to minus 2000. That was our net contribution divided by the discount rate, that is 1.1 raised to 0 because it's acquisition year, which equals to minus 2000 upon 1, which equals to minus 2000. PVC1 equals to our year 1. So 2500 divided by 1.1 raised to the power of 1 equals to 2500 upon 1.1, which equals to 2272.73. PVC2, which is our year 2, equals to net contribution 7500 upon 1.1 raised to the power of 2, because it's year 2, which equals to 7500 upon 1.21, which gives us 6198.34. PVC3, which is year 3, net contribution is 11,500 upon 1.1 raised to the power of 3, which equals to 11,500 divided by 1.331, which equals to 8,640.12. PVC4, which is the last year, 22,500 upon 1.1 raised to the power of 4 equals to 22,500 upon 1.4641, which equals to 15367.80. LTV, therefore, we said equals to sigma. Sigma means sum. So therefore, LTV equals to the sum of all these PVCs across the years. So LTV equals to PVC0 plus PVC1 plus PVC2 plus PVC3 plus PVC4. Now that we have those numbers, straight away we put them down. Don't forget the minus 2000, which is in negative. And we get our answer, which is 30,478.99. I hope you were able to solve the sum with me and you found it easy. All the best with your exam. Do well. Thank you for watching the presentation. Do like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments about this presentation or any other topic you would like to learn more about.